In this video, I will share to you how I prepare our dinner fast because it's one of my husband's favorite. Okay, let's start. The ingredients are just simple. Maultaschen, 1 packet, and eggs, 2 eggs. First, we have to cut this Maultaschen into like this. Like that. Then scramble the 2 eggs. Don't put salt because the Maultaschen is already salty. Now it's ready for the cooking. First make the pan hot. And then wait a little and then put the olive oil. Not too much. Make it like that. Spread it so it will not be sticky. I don't use too much olive oil because I don't like too oily with my Maultaschens. Then just put this on the Maultaschen. This one must be cooked first. Wait until it's brownish. After seeing this with the brownish here, brownish as you can see, brownish. Now you put the scrambled. Until the egg is cooked. Then it's ready for dinner.